They call compound interest magic, the key to wealth. But is it even real?
Think about it. A stock goes up 10%, then down 10%. You just lost money. How is that compounding?
It's not a myth. It's a secret the rich use, and they don't want you to know it. Even Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. So let's understand it, shall we? Okay, here's the difference they don't teach you in school. Simple interest is flat. Compound interest is explosive.
Simply put, it means your money starts working for you. Your interest starts earning its own interest.
Look at this. How often it compounds changes everything. This is how your money really starts to snowball.
All right, now for the proof. This simple story separates the wealthy from, well, everyone else.
Twin 1 starts early, just $100 a month at age 20. Twin 2 waits, but invests much more later.
And by age 65, Twin 1 wins by a lot. The secret isn't the money, it's the time.
Now you want the hack the pros use for quick math. Just remember this one number.
It's called the rule of 72. Divide 72 by your interest rate, that's how many years to double your money.
But be careful, this is a two-edged sword. It can build your wealth or chain you in debt.
So now you know the secret. The choice is yours. Will you earn it or will you pay it?
This is the knowledge that creates freedom, so don't you forget it.